Good morning, all of you. Welcome to GK class, and today we'll read Unit 7, Exercise 33. The name is Game Events. Let's read about these memorable international events. The first one is ICC T20 Cricket World Cup. The 2014 ICC World 2020 was the fifth competition that took place in Bangladesh and which was won by Sri Lanka. It was played in three cities: Dhaka, Chittagong, and Sylhet. Sri Lanka defeated India by 6 wickets in the final at Mirpur, Dhaka. Now let's read about the second World Cup, that is Wimbledon Championship. The 2014 Wimbledon Championship took place at All England Lawn Tennis and Croquet Club in Wimbledon, London, and they were the 120th championship and the third Grand Slam tournament of the year. The men and women's single titles were won by Novak Djokovic of Serbia and Petra Kvitova of Kyrgyz Republic. Next is FIFA World Cup. The FIFA World Cup is an international association football competition held every 4 years. The 2014 FIFA World Cup was the 20th edition, which took place at several venues in Brazil. Germany won the tournament, defeating Argentina in the finals. The next one is Commonwealth Game 2014. The 2014 Commonwealth Games were held in Glasgow, Scotland. There were 4,915 athletes from 71 different nations participating in 17 different sports. Next one is the London Olympics. About 204 nations participated in this Olympic. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil will be host city of 2016 Summer Olympics. And the last one is the Asian Games 2014. The 2014 Asian Games were held in Incheon, South Korea. Jitu Rai won the first gold medal for India in Incheon, and he won it in shooting. Now that's all in this exercise. Let's move on to the next one, that is exercise 34, about some national games. National games are played in each country with great interest. Now you have to identify these sports and name the country. The first one is cricket. It's a national game of Australia. Second one is ice hockey, national game of Canada. Third one is table tennis, national game of China. Fourth one is it's a football, national game of Germany. Fifth one is wrestling. It's a sumo wrestling, national game of Japan. Sixth one is hockey, national game of India. Seventh one is badminton, national game of Malaysia. Eighth one is volleyball, that's a national game of Sri Lanka. And the last one, ninth one is cricket, national game of USA. It's a baseball and it's a national game of USA. Now let's learn about Tell Me Now. And what equipments are used in baseball? What do we use when we play baseball? The equipments are, first one is baseball. We require baseball for playing game, bat, gloves, and bears. So these are some of the equipments required when we play baseball. Now let's read exercise 35, that is about the badminton. World Badminton Championship is a badminton tournament governed by Badminton World Federation, that is BWF, and this tournament offers the most ranking points for the players together with the Olympic Games, and the winners are crowned as world champions. So below are the pictures of some badminton players from around the world, and you have to identify and name them. You can also take the help from the given clue box. Now let's read the first one and identify the picture. The first one is Chong Wei Lee. The spelling of Chong Wei Lee from Malaysia. Next one is Dang Lin. He is Dan Lin from China. Then third one is Bonsak Ponsana. He is from Thailand. Next is Peter Højgård. Peter Højgård, he is from Denmark. Fifth one is Simon Santosa. He is from Indonesia. And the last one is Sung Hwan Park. He is from South Korea. And they are some of the world champions from different countries in the field of badminton. Now that's all in this exercise. Now let's move on to the next one, that is knowledge page. So here the first topic is, what was President Lincoln offered by the ruler of Siam and why? President Lincoln was offered elephants by the ruler of Siam to strengthen the Union armies in the American Civil War, and the Civil War was fought from 1861 to 1865. Who once sentenced a river to death and why? Cyrus the Great once sentenced the river Euphrates to death after one of his most valued horses and drowned, and while crossing it, the river was actually made to disappear for more than 1000 years. Which game is played worldwide? Chess is one of the world's popular games played by millions of the people worldwide at homes, in clubs, online, by correspondence and in tournaments. Why is Al-Ghazni special? Al-Ghazni, which means the treasury, is one of the most elaborate buildings in the ancient city of Petra in Jordan. As with the most of the other buildings in this ancient town, the structures were carved out of a sandstone rock face, and it is the first structure seen by visitors. What is the history of football in India? Football's history can be tracked back to the pre-independence period, and when the British brought the game to the subcontinent. The first football matches were played between army teams. In India, the first football game was organized between Calcutta Club of Civilians and the Gentlemen of Barrackpore. Why was Hector Castro known as the one-armed god of Uruguay? Hector Castro became one of Uruguay's national sporting icons despite losing his right arm below the elbow at the age of 13 in an accident involving an electric saw. As a centre forward, he played on 3 national championship winning team with Club Nacional and was a member of the Uruguayan team that won the Copa American thrice. He never let his disability affect his magnificent performance on the field. Admiring fans called him the one armed god of Uruguay. So that's all for today. Thank you.